You are watching Soap Opera Daily, your #1 source for the General Hospital updates.
Hello, General Hospital fans. The next 2 weeks in Port Charles from July 21 to Aug 1 will see Jenz Sidwell make a big and exciting announcement. Jason Morgan is looking for Britt Westbourne, and Willow Tate's world is falling apart. Before we dive into all the General Hospital spoilers and twists headed your way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell right here on Soap Opera Daily so you never miss your GH fix. Week of July 21 to 25, 2025. So, Isaiah Gannon steps in with some support and gives Portia Robinson a solid pep talk. She's been going through a lot lately and definitely needs someone in her corner right now. Over at the Quartermain side of things, Martin Gray shares some important updates with Tracy. And knowing Tracy, that news might just push her into action. Meanwhile, things are getting tense for Laura Collins. She finds out some disturbing information that really rattles her. Looks like Marco Rios has gone missing, and all signs are pointing to Sonny Corinthos as the prime suspect. At the same time, Jenz Sidwell is ready to make his big announcement. There's buzz that it might have something to do with giving in to Sonny's demands. But even though Sidwell is clearly worried about Marco's safety, he doesn't want to look weak. Still, Sidwell is clever. He's not just going to roll over. He's probably already thinking of a way to turn this whole thing around and come out on top. Also this week brings a surprising moment for Elizabeth Baldwin. She reconnects with Liesl Obrecht, and guess what? Liesl might finally be ready to let the past go. She once blamed Elizabeth for Britt's tragic death and went off the rails over it, but now it seems like the grudges are fading. While all that's happening, Jason Morgan is in full-on mission mode. He's at the Paris airport trying to get on the same plane a mystery woman just boarded. He's convinced there's a chance Britt is alive, or at least someone who looks just like her. But he doesn't have a ticket. Still, this is Jason we're talking about. He's not the type to give up. If he can't get on that flight, he'll find another way. Maybe he heads to Dubrovnik next and starts digging there. As for Dante, he and Lulu are about to hit full panic mode. Turns out, Rocco decides to meet up with Liesl Obrecht and starts asking questions about Britt. That's definitely not going to sit well with Lulu and Dante. They'll probably warn him to stay far away from Liesl, but Rocco seems determined. Meanwhile, Lucy Coe is busy stirring the pot in her own way. She's extending an invitation to someone, and knowing Lucy, it's bound to shake things up a little. On the other side of town, Ava Jerome is left rattled. Something really shakes her up, maybe even scares her. But in a surprising twist, Cody Bell steps in to help. It looks like he might play hero and pull Ava even closer in the process. Elsewhere in Port Charles, Kai Taylor is trying hard to fix things with Trina Robinson. But Trina hasn't forgotten how Kai betrayed her family, and no amount of sweet talk is going to make her forgive him just yet. Also, it's time for Willow Tate and Drew Kane's big wedding, but don't expect a smooth walk down the aisle. The ceremony kicks off and almost immediately starts spinning out of control. The big question is, who's going to blow it all up? Could it be Nina Reeves? Maybe Curtis Ashford? Only time will tell. Whatever happens, one thing's for sure. Willow might finally learn the truth, that Drew was hooking up with Nina while pretending he was falling for her daughter. Week of July 28th to Aug 1, 2025. Now let's get into the week of July 28th. After all that wedding chaos, Willow's world is completely spinning. She's heartbroken, humiliated, and on the verge of another emotional breakdown. There's buzz that Willow could go as far as taking the kids and disappearing, especially if she manages to get them alone. If that happens, Michael Corinthos is going to be blindsided. And let's not forget about Drew. If he loses Willow, it could send him over the edge too. He's already acting shady and manipulative most days, but this might just bring out his worst side yet. Meanwhile, the Sonny vs. Sidwell war is heating up even more. The mob tension is off the charts right now. And what about Kai? After everything, he might try one last grand gesture to win Trina back. And that's a wrap on everything brewing in Port Charles from July 21 to Aug 1. From wedding bombshells to mob wars, missing people and broken hearts, things are only getting more intense. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a moment here on Soap Opera Daily. We've got your General Hospital fix served hot and fresh every time.